Structure and function. All prokaryotes are unicellular, meaning a single cell is considered an entire organism. They can live on their own, but most form colonies, large groups of millions, billions, or more that live in a tightly packed area. They have a variety of shapes and functions. The colonies shown here are growing on growth media contained within a petri dish. Growth media consists of water, nutrients, and agar, a gelatinous substance to make it solid. Shape and groupings help us identify prokaryotes. The most common shapes are cocci, or spherical shape, and bacilli, rod-shaped. Prokaryotes have many different structures, each having a specific job or function. These cell structures operate like microscopic machines. Each one interacts with the others and helps to maintain the life of the overall organism. Let's look at structures in prokaryotes. Most prokaryotes have a cell wall. The cell wall is outside the cell's plasma membrane and maintains the cell's shape, provides physical protection, and prevents the cell from bursting in a hypotonic environment. In bacteria, this cell wall is made of a strong carbohydrate fiber called peptidoglycan. In archaea, various cell wall types exist. The cell wall of some prokaryotes is covered by a capsule, a sticky layer of polysaccharide or protein. The cell wall and capsule are in addition to the plasma membrane and are found covering it. They do not replace it. Most motile prokaryotes propel themselves by flagella, a tail-like protein structure. This allows these prokaryotes to exhibit taxis, the ability to move toward or away from certain stimuli. Chemotaxis is movement in response to chemicals in the environment. Phototaxis is movement in response to light. Interesting note, flagellum is the Latin word for whip. Pili are thin protein tubes originating from the prokaryotic cell membrane. There are two basic types of pili: short attachment pili, also known as fimbriae, that are usually quite numerous. Fimbriae allow cells to attach to other cells or to inanimate objects. Long conjugation pili, also called F or sex pili, that are few in number. Sex pili allow bacteria to transfer genetic information from one cell to another. Flagella, pili, cell walls, and capsules are examples of structures that some, but not all, cells have. Each of these structures has a specific function that makes the cell suited to its environment. Some other structures are common to all cells, however. They are essential to life. Inside a prokaryotic cell, ribosomes and a chromosome can be found free-floating in the cytoplasm. The prokaryotic chromosome is a double-stranded, circular structure containing the prokaryote's DNA. Prokaryotes usually only have one chromosome, and the area where it is located is known as the nucleoid. All cells have four structures in common. They are surrounded by a cell or plasma membrane that isolates the inside of the cell from the outside environment. They contain a semi-fluid substance called the cytoplasm. They contain one or more chromosomes, which carry genetic information in the form of DNA, and they have ribosomes, which assemble proteins out of amino acids.